Can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe if you are new and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I upload a video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alrighty everybody, that's the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes we can, so make sure to smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe if you are new and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here is Luffy from One Piece. Hopefully you all enjoyed. This is my first time drawing Luffy from One Piece. This is my first One Piece drawing, but hopefully you all enjoyed. I had a lot of fun making this drawing and I think the outcome came out really cool. But honestly, this drawing took forever because there were so many details that I had to add. But yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed. I recently started watching One Piece and man, all I can say is that I am in for a journey because I'm only like 30 episodes in out of like 981 episodes, but I am absolutely loving the anime so far and hopefully you all are looking forward to seeing me draw more of One Piece. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe and until next time, everybody, peace.